In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome Windows 11. Cookies are small bits of data that help websites remember your preferences, keep you signed in, and make features like shopping carts and personalized content work smoothly. If a site isn't remembering you or keeps asking you to log in, enabling cookies often fixes it. I'll show you a recommended method using Chrome's menus plus a faster shortcut and then a few quick checks if things still don't work. Let's start with the recommended way. Open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left, click Privacy and Security. Here, look for third-party cookies, or it may be labeled Cookies and Other Site Data, depending on your version. Open that section. Now select Allow All Cookies. This tells Chrome to let websites save and read cookie data on your device, which is what most sites expect. Once you've chosen Allow All Cookies, your changes are saved automatically, so you can close settings and continue browsing. If you prefer a faster route, use the direct shortcut. Open Chrome and click in the address bar. Type Chrome/settings cookies and press enter. This jumps you straight to the same cookies page. From here, set it to Allow All Cookies. Again, this takes effect immediately, so there's nothing else you need to confirm. If cookies still don't seem to work, here are a few quick checks. First, make sure Clear Cookies on Exit is turned off on that same cookie settings page. If this is on, Chrome erases all cookies each time you close the browser, which can make it feel like cookies aren't working. Next, disable any incognito mode extensions that block cookies. Some privacy or ad blocking extensions can prevent cookies from being saved, especially in private windows. Turning them off in incognito will help sites remember your session. Finally, restart Chrome after making changes. Close all Chrome windows completely and reopen the browser to ensure the new settings fully apply. That's all you need to enable cookies in Google Chrome on Windows 11. Using the settings path is easy and clear, while the shortcut gets you there instantly. With Allow All Cookies enabled and those quick checks in place, most websites should remember your preferences, keep you signed in, and run as intended. If you ever want to revisit your privacy choices, you can return to the same page and adjust them at any time. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.